Hey, I'm Lakin. I make 0 figures a month doing social media. However, we're gonna go do one last chicken check and a garden check. Got my little egg basket before we go on vacation tomorrow to Pennsylvania. So come with me. So earlier today, I gave them 4 things of water because they'll stay in this run for the couple days that we're gone. And then like 2 full things of food. So they're good and set. But let's go see if we got any eggs. 0, 0, 2, barely off. 0, 1, and 4. That's how many? Oh my goodness. 4, 6, 7 eggs today.